Hello everyone, so in this video I'll teach you how to add overlays to your video. So guys, an overlay is a graphical design that is added to another layer. An overlay is also called a B-roll. So do not be confused if you hear someone say B-roll. It's simply an overlay. It's simply a graphical design that is added onto another layer of context or video or text or whatever. So that's just it. It's simply adding another layer to an existing layer. That's just the simple definition of it. So you open CapCut, you click on new project, you click on the picture, the background you want to use. That's the first picture you add. Then you go over to aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio. If it's for YouTube, 16:9. The next thing you want to do is to click on the background down here and you adjust it to fit your screen. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your overlay. You click on overlay. You add overlay, whatever you want to add. It could be a picture, a logo, an icon, or even a video, guys. You click on add overlay. I want to add a video. So what I'm going to do is to add my video. So I'm using my phone. Yeah, so I add the video. The next thing you want to go to do, if you don't want the background of the video to show, like I do not want it to show, so what I'll do is to remove PG, guys. I go over to remove PG. I simply remove the background of my overlay. You have auto remover, custom remover, chroma key. I want to remove the entire background, so I'm going to click on auto remover. So I'm using my phone. So you see that, guys. Have you seen that? You can remove you can remove all of it so that it leaves only your voice and the red background, or you can remove, I've restored it because it's just a tutorial. So, or you can remove this custom remover is to remove certain aspects of the background. Okay, so that's just it. That's what you do if you want to remove for overlay. So you can also reduce, increase the size of your overlay with your fingers. You can do this, increase or decrease the size of your overlay, and you can have more than one overlay. So you can have more than one overlay. Okay, so that's just what you do with overlay. You can have more than one. Let's say I want to add another picture. I think what I have to do is simply go again, add overlay, and I click on the picture that I want to add, or volume or video that I want to add. I simply reduce it with my finger and I make it to sit where I want it to sit, maybe here. And that's it for overlay. Let's say I do not want this particular overlay. What I do is to simply come here, I click on the first overlay I made and I go over to delete and I delete it. I click on this other overlay down here and I delete it. That's it. So it's nothing overwhelming. It's not so difficult. It's as simple as that. One more thing, guys, when you are adding an overlay, make sure you have all the separate videos edited separately. You can do them together, but at times the editing you do when you match everything together to do it at once, it does not apply to the entire video. So it's advisable you edit each video separately and then afterwards you match. That is, for instance, if I'm going to do an overlay, let's say the first background is a picture and my overlay is a video. What I want to do is I edit the background, which is a picture, separately, and edit the video, which is my overlay, separately before matching the two together. So you also want to put that into consideration. make sure you edit separately before you do the overlay, before you add to the other video, which is, or picture, which is the background. So with that said, I think that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.